Need to deposit a check without visiting a branch? Chase Mobile Deposit, often called Snap Deposit, lets you use your phone's camera to add money to your account in under a minute. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Open your Chase mobile app and tap Deposit Checks. Select the account you want to deposit into, checking or savings. Enter the check amount, then take clear photos of the front and back of your endorsed check. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll get a confirmation, and funds are typically available by the next business day, though some may be available immediately. My crucial pro tip: endorse with "for mobile deposit only at Chase." On the back of the check, sign your name and directly below write, "for mobile deposit only at Chase." This adds a layer of security. Also, make sure the check is on a dark, flat surface with good lighting to avoid blurry photos that could get rejected. Turn your smartphone into a 24/7 deposit window. How has mobile deposit changed the way you handle checks? Rarely see them anymore. For more quick banking tech guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.